Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my video. Thank you very much for liking my videos and also adding some comments, and I'm very happy that you are giving me good responses on the videos as well. So last 2 weeks I spoke about power of emotions and also metaphors. Most of them like the video. So today I'm going to speak about relationship, but let me relate to something else and then give you, in a layman language so everybody can understand this. So I think most of them invest money, right? So you invest money in SIPs, you invest money in RDs, you put money in bank deposits, probably in shares, and maximum you can expect the return on investment is maximum 25%, 6 to 10%, 8 to 10%, and also 25% also. There are some people make them 25 than more only on some of the shares when they do some intraday trading and all those stuffs actually, but not 100%. I think 100% is minuscule of return on investment where you get it. When it comes to business, you set up. So it may take at least 2-3 years to set up a business and 5 years to make your business big and profitable, right? You will wait for 5 to 6 years. When it comes to some projects in your corporate job, so you may have a lot of different stakeholders that are involved in the projects, and you handle this in a very emotional way, in the sense you will be calm and you communicate with every stakeholders, making sure everything is getting done, and you want to complete that project successfully after 1 or 2 years. So you are calm there. So why I'm telling all these things to you is, when it comes to materialistic things, investment, the money investment, what you're doing, so you're expecting just maximum 25 to 30% of return on investment. When it comes to business, you're okay to wait for 5 to 6 years to set up this business and make it profitable. When it comes to projects, so you're okay to communicate with all the people with a calmness and make sure the project is going well and you can be successful in that project. But why in relationship you expect 100% from others? When you're okay to wait for those things, materialistic things, for a long time, and you don't expect too much of investment, return on investment from those materialistic things, why with human relationship you expect 100%? Nobody's perfect in this world, right? So why relationship get tampered is because we expect 100% from them. We want 100% from our wives, we want 100% from our kids, we want 100% from our parents, we want 100% from our siblings, we want 100% from our neighbors, friends, colleagues, everything. We want 100%. So when it comes to human relation, we want 100%, but when it comes to materialistic things, we are okay with 25-30%. Why is that? So you need to understand that every human being is different. Your wife is a different creature, your dad is a different creature, your mom is a different creature, and your son is a different creature. Their expectations, their goals, their dreams, their perceptions, the bringing up, everything totally different from you. So you cannot expect them to be you. So only thing what we can do is through a constant communication with them, the right communication with them, so we can persuade to our thinking slowly, so that whatever we expect, they can be doing it, and we say that okay, these are the expectations what I have, so that both of them can be happy. So relationship is more of effective communication, I would say. If you communicate right things in a right way to people, this is what I want, or this is what my expectation is, this is how we can collaborate and live a better life. There your life becomes more beautiful. So don't expect too much. Just like live it just like your materialist thing. Let us expect only 25-30% from your spouse, kid, or father or mother or siblings, whatever is there. It is okay if they are doing 25%, 35% correct. That is great actually. So you need to accept them saying that they are doing a great job.